Hey guys, my name is That Quiet Kid, and today we are going to do day 22 and day 23 of Advent of Cyber 2021. So, for day 22, we have how it happened. Blue teaming Mexkitty has finally gotten around to identifying the first trace of Grinch enterprises within their network. They are looking at local machines to determine what exactly they did when they first entered the network. Can you help them make sense of what happened? So, let's start this machine and start answering the questions. So let's move down. We can see that it is telling us to use this cyber chef. You have probably heard of the cyber Swiss army knife, which is cyber chef. It is used for decoding decoding stuff like base 64 and uh, base 62 and many other hashes and algorithms to decrypt. And it is telling us about XOR, which is a logical operator which results true when two values are different and returns 0 when two values are same. Okay, so let's move on. It is telling us to use a tool by the name of Oledump, which is an excellent tool written in Python by Dider Stevens, which helps to analyze OLE compound file binary formats. You can think of these as mini file systems or similar to zip archives. So simply run the command this and your file name. So let's move on. And we see dash m option we can use, and to solve this challenge you need to find the stream that contains the obfuscated script. Select the macro stream number 8 and dump the contents by running this command. So it is telling us to the decimal number 35 will be your XOR key. Let's build the recipe in cyberchef using the following: base 64 XOR. You might have noticed the secret script still look odd because it's double encoded using base 64. Let's choose from base 64 for our third ingredient. So I'm waiting for this machine to start and we can start completing the start answering the questions. It's telling us 7 more seconds. So the first one is, what is the username, email address of Grinch Enterprises from the decoded script. So okay, the machine has started. Okay, so we see a command prompt, we see Santa Claus, and we see a dog file. I guess this is the file which we have to analyze using that Oledump tool, and this is cyberchef's link which we will be needing later. So let's open this as well. Go here. Okay, the cyberchef has opened. Let's go here. Let's open the command prompt, and we are already in the Oledump folder which has oledump.py. So the command is simple: oledump.py, and our file name, which is in, okay, it's not in, it's in C slash users slash administrator slash desktop slash something Santa, I guess. Yes, and slash and that doc file. So simply run this file to see the contents. We see this is the 8. I guess it was S8, which is used for, where it is, the which is stream number, which the stream number 8 we will be trying to macros dump the contents of this stream. So let's use dash s8, which is stream 8, which is macros Grinch Enterprises was here. Okay, so let's use dash, okay, let's use space dash s8 and dash d. Press enter and we have something, we have some, if you okay, let me run it again. Okay, it looks like base 64 and it is base 64. So let's copy it and open our cyberchef. So let's go here, paste it here, and it was from base 64 and we were using XOR, and the key was 35 and it was decimal, and it told us to do this base 64 again, base 64 again. Let's, okay. Now we have decrypted it, which is simple. So let me copy this text to my file so that we can analyze it. I have copied it and I will paste it in a file. Let's call it rough.txt and paste it here. Now it will be easy to copy and paste. So we have the username as grinchenterprises.2021@gmail.com. So let's paste the answer here. uh, okay, what is the mailbox password you found? The mailbox password we found is Santa is coming to town. Okay, so let's copy it and paste it here. What is the subject of the email? So let's see the subject of the email, which is Christmas wish list. So let's copy it from here and paste it here. What port is this script using to exfiltrate data from the North Pole? So we have this SMTP server which is using 587 port. So 587 is the answer. What is the flag hidden found in the document that Grinch Enterprises left behind? Hint is use the following command. The answer will be in the caption, but I guess we have to this Oledump command will help us here, but we didn't found it in this stream. So I guess it is some other stream in which we have to find, because it is telling us that the answer will be in the caption and we don't see any caption here, which is stream 8. So let's try to use stream 7 and decode this, and we see you found Grinch cookie. Okay, so we have answered this question as well. Copy it and paste it here. The last question is, there is still a second flag somewhere, can you find it on the machine? So let's see. Okay, it's on the machine, so let's go to the file explorer. Okay, let's see. We have seen desktop, we didn't find it. Let's see downloads. We see Tryhackme. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's, I guess, Tryhackme's pick. So let's go back and let's see documents and let's see pictures, and we see Grinch 2021. So let's open it, which is flag 2, and we have our flag. So the flag is Santa Claus is real. Dollar sign, I guess it's I, and SR, Santa Claus is real. Okay, so that completes our day 22, I guess, day 22 of Advent of Cyber 2021. So let's move on to start solving our day 23. Okay, so let's go down and we see this 20 day 23 starts. So let's start the machine, and one of the administrators with access to the Elf Dome defense system realized that his password file was missing from his desktop. Without the password, he will not be able to log into the mission control panel. McSkitty suspects that perhaps one of the previous phishing attempts was successful. McSkitty jumps into action. You need to inspect the event logs to determine what has occurred and see if you can retrieve the password from the deleted text file. So we will be analyzing the event logs to see the contents of, I guess, deleted file. Learning objective is analyze Windows event logs to understand actions performed in an attack. Recover key artifacts in unencrypted web communication. Utilize PowerShell script to recover a deleted artifact. So let's move on. PowerShell is, we all know, it's a cross-platform command line shell. Okay, so let's see, cross-platform means it runs on all Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So let's see, we have to start our event logger, then click on this advanced options to start our search, and we will have to modify it to this settings and then press OK, and then we will start to answer our questions. So actually it will take 100 seconds more to access, so I will pause the video right here and resume when the machine starts. So the machine has booted up, so let's start our file event logger, event viewer, and edit the settings. click here, and the date is, okay, we have to specific time range. Okay. Okay, shown is 4103. And short providers, we will be using this PowerShell. Okay, and the last one is HTTP. I guess it is searching for, so let's use HTTP, use this and press OK. Okay, now we see a very few event logs now, so let's start answering the questions. What command was executed as elf mech nearly to add a new user to the machine? So let's see the hint for this, which is research CVV 2021 1675. So let's see this. Okay, it is print nightmare, I guess. Yes, this is print nightmare. Okay, so what it is saying, what command was executed to add a new user to the machine, and it's telling us to see this. So let's see. Okay, so invoke nightmare is the command to add a user. So I guess this is the answer. So let's enter here, and it is, what user executed the PowerShell file to send the password.txt file from the administrator desktop to a remote server. So let's start this viewing these logs now. So we can see that it is grabbing this .psi PowerShell script from the GitHub repository which we visited, and let's see what we have here. Okay, okay, we don't see anything here, so let's move on. Okay, it is deleting this password.txt file. So what user is it? Okay, the user is this admin one. So let's copy it and use a admin. What was the IP address of the remote server? What was the port that was used? So let's go up here. What do we see? Do we see an IPN port? Yes, we see an IPN port. Copy it and paste it here, and it is telling us to use a comma instead of a colon here. So let's use that, and let's move on. What was the encrypted key used to encrypt the contents of this file sent to the remote server? So what was the encrypted key? So I guess I saw something here. I guess it was here. No, I didn't. So let's see, let's view the last one. No, I don't see anything here. Nothing here. This is the key value, but we are looking for the key. Okay, okay, we see the key here. which is the key variable equals to this. So let's copy it and paste it here. So okay, so let's move on. What application was used to delete the password.txt file? We saw this just, I guess, few seconds ago, which was sdelete.exe. Yes, which is here, which is sdelete. It is this sdelete.exe. Let's copy it and paste it here. What is the date and time stamp the logs show that password.txt was deleted? Okay, so the password.txt was deleted on this, in this here. So I guess this is the our time. So let's view properties and copy it. Okay, okay, it is up to PM. Let's see. Okay, the answer is correct. So let's see the hint. Update the advanced option to search for the deleted file. So instead of HTTP, we will have to specify this deleted file. So which was password.txt. Let's use password.txt and press OK. Okay, now we see 3. So let's see the properties of it, and it is 597. So let's try this. Not incorrect. So let's see the last one. Okay, let's cross it out, and we can see that it is deleting this file in this event log. So this is the time dot 704. So let's try this. Okay, it is also not correct. It is showing us seconds PM. So I guess PM is the last one. Yes, PM. So this was the correct answer. So now we have what were the contents of this deleted password file. So let's see the hint for this, which is added the decryptor.psi with the previously found encryption key and the encrypted value. Execute this in PowerShell. So let's see, we have to edit a decryptor file. Let's go back and specify it to HTTP because we need that long string value. So HTTP. Okay, okay, I misspelled HTTP. Press OK. What was the key? This is the key value, but I'm looking for keys value, which was a long string. It should be here. Yes, this is the key value which we'll need. Okay, this is some decryptor something. So let me move it a bit here. Okay, let me use full screen. Enter key value, which is this. Enter key here. So this is the key. Okay, okay, it hasn't copied it. Why? Let's copy it again. Okay, it is not copying it. So let's go back and see our file, and I guess we will have to copy it from here. The key value was this. Let's copy it. Okay, now it should work. I've copied it, and yes, it is working. Enter encrypted text here. So let's add the encrypted text here, which is this long string. The value is here. So that, okay, let me copy it. Okay, I didn't copy it. Yes, I have copied it now. So let's paste it here. Control is to save it. So I guess it is saved. So what we have to do, execute this decryptor.psi in PowerShell. Okay, run with PowerShell. Okay, it is telling us it is getting some error. So let's use this Windows PowerShell ISE. Okay, open a file which was, where is it? I guess I will have to find it. This decryptor, yes, this is the one. Open it, and we have made the changes, and let's run it. And now we see, what is it? Let's it now, let it snow, let it snow. Okay, it is let it snow, let it snow. Mission control, uh, let it snow. So let's copy it. Okay, it is copying this whole text, so I will have to do, yes, a few changes. Let's remove everything, submit it. So that completes our day 23 of Advent of Cyber 2021, and thank you for watching.